Hello YouTube viewers, happy holidays and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I would like to share with you some Dollar Tree items that I bought. So it's two type of items only. So they are gift bags and wooden tassels. Now these wooden tassels I bought because I wanted to repurpose them. I am going to be detaching them from here, cutting the string, and I'm going to be only using this part. Now notice that I have a few designs. This one is a squared one, this one has a different shape, and there is a round one. So I bought 5 pieces all together, 5 of those. So something like this can go on the wall in a dollhouse. It can also be turned into a table, giving it a base. It can be a patio table. So I will be bringing these pieces back to you. I hope that you stay tuned for that. Now the rest of this, look at these stunning gift bags. For just $1.25, they're pretty big. And what caught my attention is that I can make creations and add to this scenery right here. Like for example, you see this picture here? I can add snowmen and other items and make a larger creation from this. The same here. Look at how beautiful this is. Then I have these snowmen. Now this gift bag here, I'm going to be using it in my dining room because this year my dining room is going to be a snowman theme. So this one is going to be used in there, and you'll see it when I give you the tour. Then I have this other one. Look at how beautiful. Let me show you this in detail. Look at that. You know, you buy these bags to place gifts inside, and then you end up falling in love with them. But these I purposely bought for that, so I can make creations out of them. But sometimes I'll buy bags for gifts, and then I really look at them and I say, oh my God, I think I'm going to keep this. So this is one of them. Beautiful. Look at how large it is. Now here's the other one. Same size. So a large gift box, like a shirt box, fits in there. So that's how big this is. Look at that. So I will be bringing you creations and you will be seeing this again. Then there's the other one. Look at how pretty this is. Look at that. And this is all from the Dollar Tree. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at the snowman there. And then this one is the last one. Well, and these are those wooden tassels that I told you about. I bought 5, but it's actually 3 different styles. The round one, the squared one, and these. So I hope that you stay tuned for more. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.